For new videos, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add friends using QR code on WhatsApp. So let's get started. This is a new feature that allows users to add contact or chat. To do that, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap this new chat button to select a contact. Here you get a QR icon next to the new contact option. Tap this icon. It shows your QR code which you can share to allow users to add you. In the adjacent tab, you get an option to scan a QR code to add friends. You can use the camera to scan or browse from the gallery. In either case, WhatsApp fetches contact from QR code, then you can start a conversation and add as a new contact. That's it guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you.